I'm showing you guys how to make a healthy breakfast alkaline option for the mind, body, and soul. This is going to be one that is great for the children as well. So stay tuned while I add to this amazing dish. First, I'm starting out with some amazing quinoa that I have cooked. I also did a homemade walnut milk that I added to it, and some seasonings, some spices like nutmeg and a little bit of cinnamon, just a bit. Okay, so I have a quarter cup about. I know it says a half cup, but I didn't fully fill it. And so what I'm gonna do for this dish is lightly pour it over the top, like so. That's just gonna give your dish some more flavor when we add everything else to it. And so it's not so dry. It'll have more moisture. This is full of protein, full of fiber for the body to get full fast off not much, which is great because our bodies don't need to be heavy and filled with a lot of foods like sausage, bacon, ham, eggs, and those kind of things. So this is much better on the body. Very energizing too. Alright, so I went ahead and glazed up these babies right here, some green apples. I'm going to lay these over the top like that. I took a class where we did cooking and plating, so you'd think I would know how to do this, but I'm using one hand, so bear with me. Okay, like so. All right. What would this be without some blueberries? So I'm gonna go ahead and put these on the other side like that. No, I don't want that one. Alright. Coming along, y'all. Ooh. And lastly, we're gonna put these raw nuts in the middle. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Amazing. This is the same thing. I just wanted to show you guys an on-the-go option, whether it's for you or your children. This is a great way to package their meals for them to take in their lunch packs or in your lunch pack, your breakfast sack and stuff like that. And then you just want to go ahead and cover it like so, and there you have it. Nicely sealed in a mason jar for you. This is gonna be great for like on the go. Make sure you stay fueled. Quinoa, blueberries, green apples, and some fresh organic nuts that I got at the farmer's market. Yes, sir. Health is wealth.